fighters before. Is there a different mindset going into the battle with the fellow undisputed fighters? What's the story going to be on the 30th? On the morning of the 30th, what's the story going to be? The headline of my life.
Errol, where did you come up with an egg and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Just being creative.
Was that you or your
Yeah, me. Just being creative and just being hungry. And I was like, peanut butter curbed my appetite. I need some protein. So I was in the house one day, boy, I just mixed it all together.
Oh yeah, you have avocado?
Yeah, sometimes.
And then after weigh-ins, what's the first thing you're going to eat?
I'm trying to keep my weight down, so I don't know.
Errol, his team was making fun of the fact that you have chickens and they say you're too worried about your chickens and your cows and your horses to be, you know, on this fight. What do you respond to that?
Who did?
His team. They were saying that all you do is talk about your chickens and your cows and that your head's not in the game.
I guess so. It is what it is. They might think that, but they just trying to say anything just to convince themselves otherwise. So, you know, it don't take that much to take care of cows and chickens. They just need to eat and give some water. I mean, it's just like having a dog. You got a dog, right?
It seems
It's just like having a dog.
It seems like there's a lot of animosity more with you and Bomac than it is with Crawford. Is that so? Do you feel the same?
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, Big Cheeto man always hates me. But he always behaved since day one. You know, he's trying to be humble now. But he already know he ain't like that. He always say shit. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't tripping off of these, but it is, man.
Hey, Errol, what do you think about Bernie? You know, the one that the guy that's always yelling around Crawford? Bernie?
Which one?
You gotta wrap up, guys.
Oh. He a hype man. He a bum ass hype man. That's what he do. Probably be cleaning the floors and shit, just get some money. That's what he do.
Thanks, guys. You gotta roll, guys.
My mama, my daddy, and my girl.
Oh, your girls are so sweet. I'll never forget that. If people don't know, he sang Disney songs with me. Well, not me. On his interview with me on Ring TV. Your daughters are so sweet.
Appreciate it. Huh? My kids, mom, dad.
Shark?
Shark.
What made you fully commit to the shark? Like, I'm really taking this big fish all the way.
Oh, I mean, that's basically what I am. That's what I do. I attack. You know what I'm saying? This don't have nothing to do with just the sharks. It's a man basically keeping his head above, trying to keep his head above. You know how hard it is? We got clothes on, trying to stay afloat in water. You can imagine, though, right? It's hard as hell, heavy as hell. So this is a man in the world trying to keep his head above water and struggling to keep his head above water. It's like a man take care of his family, trying to keep his head above water. And all these are like different temptations and different things that's gonna get him if you don't keep his head above water.
So we gotta create a new term, Big
I
Head.
appreciate it. Oh yeah.
That was a shocker. That was not on our bingo card.
That wasn't